Hey everyone, I'm back with a quick tutorials for Cinema 4D, and today's tip is going to be about how to close polygon holes from 3D models that you've imported from either another software or that you've imported from the internet. So here I have a very basic model of a chaise longue that I've imported from SketchUp 3D warehouse. And as you can see, it's got quite a few holes in the model. And traditionally, what I would do is I would go to my point selection. I'll go to my polygon pen and maybe try close polygon hole and maybe see if I could go around and close these holes separately. But as you can see, I've got quite a few holes in there, and going around and closing them one by one is going to be proven to be quite time consuming. So I'm going to show you another way of closing all these holes with a very simple technique. So to do that, I'm going to select my chaise longue leather piece, which is the one that's got the holes in it. And I'm going to go to my cloner tools, click and hold, and I'm going to add a Voronoi fracture object. And once I have it in my object tree, I'm going to drag and drop my leather piece into my Voronoi fracture as a child of my Voronoi fracture. Now into the Voronoi fracture settings down here, I'm going to go to my sources tab, and under the sources tab, I'm going to select the point generator distribution object, and I'm going to delete it because I don't want anything to be fractured on my model. And I'm going to go to the object tab, and in the object tab, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to find the optimize and close holes. So I'm going to tick that one, and I want you to keep an eye on the model and see what happens. I'm going to tick it, and it's going to go ahead and think about all the holes that the model has on it, and it's going to close down all the holes for me. And there you go. See, all the holes are closed down on my model, and this is perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And it's still got this kind of a purpley sort of shade to it. So to undo that, or to take this out of the Voronoi fracture, I'm just going to go up to still in my object tab. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to untick the colorize fragment checkbox down here. So if I untick that, it's going to take it back to my original leather color. Just go to another view. So display gold shading. There you go. You can see all the holes are gone, and my material is back on my object. And I'm just going to click on the Voronoi fracture, and I'm going to convert it into an editable object again by pressing C on my keyboard. And now I have my leather piece as all the fractured parts. I'm going to select the first one, shift click the last one. I'm going to connect and delete, and I'm going to delete all the tags that I don't need from these objects. So delete that one, all the selection, and keep that as the top. And there you go. So now I have my model with all the holes closed. I'm just going to do a quick Corona interactive rendering down here, and you're going to see the result, which is a very nice closed chaise longue. And there you go. With one simple technique, I managed to close all the holes in my model. So if you found a model that you have either imported from somewhere else, or that you've someone's given you, and it's got all kind of defects in it, or like holes and stuff like that, you can use this technique to quickly fix the issue. And with that, I will see you in the next video.